It's April 15th, you're stressed, you're exhausted, and you're scrambling to get your taxes filed. You might owe $12,000 in money that you don't have, your books are an absolute mess, you've missed deductions, and you've decided that, hey, extension is your only option. But the problem is, you likely don't have systems in place. Without systems in place, you're just gonna end up in the same exact spot next year. Today, I wanna give you guys a month-by-month action plan, how to get your system set up so you know exactly what you gotta do each month so you don't end up in this position again next year. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Andrew D'Amico. I'm a CPA, co-founder, partner here at Ledgerly alongside my friend Mike Abrahamian. Today I'm going to be building for you your year-round tax planning roadmap. This is going to be the groundwork, the foundation, and if you follow it, you'll never stress about taxes again. Do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Number one, open a tax savings account. Get an account that you can set aside monies to that will be your designated pot to pay taxes from. We're not going to touch this account until we got to make some tax payments. Number two, set up a bookkeeping software. QuickBooks, Wave, Xero, there's several bookkeeping softwares out there. Just make sure you set it up and connect your bank accounts, your credit cards immediately. Number three, download a mileage tracker, an app that you can use on your phone. Something like MileIQ, QuickBooks has even got one, but download it so you can track your business miles throughout the year rather than guessing and just saying an arbitrary, oh, I drove 10,000 miles for business this year. IRS doesn't care about round numbers, they care about what you can prove. Number four, set up automatic transfers of 30 to 40% of your income. At least 30%, especially for you business owners that might be getting subject to self-employment tax, that 15.3% on top of whatever federal tax bracket you're in. Recommend strongly that you put at least 30% of your income into this account. And number five, set up quarterly meetings with a CPA. Do your due diligence on this. You want one who is a tax advisor, who instead of simply only calculating estimated payments for you, that can also provide you with the strategy that's going to move the needle on how much tax you're going to ultimately owe. Meet multiple times throughout the year. During this setup process, I know I just listed 5 steps that shouldn't take you more than 2 to 3 hours max. And now your systems are in place for the entire year. So once your setup's done and we're getting near the end of Q1 here, it's time for that first quarterly meeting, right? You're going to bring them your current books from your bookkeeping software. You're going to provide it to them. They're going to review your Q1. They're going to say, hey, we're calculating estimated taxes for you. And if they're doing your tax return, they're also going to be telling you if you owe any money with your 2025 return, because those payments are also due on 4/15. So 4/15 is a big day. In the summer, call it July or August, you want to take a step back and do a mid-year check. Is your business consistent? Are you on track with your payments? Have you paid in enough to this point? This is the perfect time, middle of the year. Remember, we set up those automatic transfers of 30% plus of our income. If we need to adjust it, now is the time to do that. November is absolutely the time to have a year-end strategic planning meeting. We want to sit down and say, hey, what can I do to have an effect on my 2026 tax bill? This is the meeting that's going to save you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. Following that November meeting, now we're in December. Very simple. Execute the plan. Again, your advisor gave you strategies. Now it's up to you to buy that equipment, set up that retirement account, delay invoicing, prepay expenses. December is the month where we're going to tie up all these loose ends and make sure we get it done. So from all those things that we just worked through and the roadmap I gave you, the setup alone, maybe we're talking 6 hours in total. Your monthly bookkeeping, an hour a month. Quarterly meetings with an advisor, budget an hour per meeting. Quarterly payments that you have to make. Shouldn't take you more than 2 hours through the entire year to make 4 quarters of payments. And that year-end planning piece, maybe budget an additional 6 hours. In total, we're talking about 30 hours for an entire year. That's less than 3 hours a month. That's less than an hour a week. And in exchange, I'm talking no stress in April, no surprise tax bill, maximum deductions, no penalties, and complete control of your tax picture. Is 30 hours a year worth that? I'd say so. If you're in search for a pair of young CPAs who all they do is tax strategy, check out the link in the description and book a call with us and let's get rocking and rolling. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button, drop us a like, and follow for more real world tax strategy, and we'll see you on the next one.